Okay, we're on our third line, and at this point, I'm hoping that you're wanting to become a little more independent. So what I'm going to do is help you set up those easy estimates, and then I want you to go back and multiply both of these first two on your own, and then watch this video to check your work. Look and check, and when you're checking, I want you to look at your partial products. Did you remember to add in when you regrouped, and did you get your final answer that agrees with mine? So when we think about our easy estimate for 95, hopefully I don't have to say very much, but 95 is closest to 100. And when I think about the number 69, what is it closer to? Well, obviously it should be closest to 70. So when I think about my easy estimate, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 10 is 70, 7 times 100 is 700, and 70 times 100 is 7,000. So my easy estimate is 7,000. When I think about this number, I think about 24 being closest to 20 and 66 being closest to 70. I'm going to multiply these together for a quick estimate. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 20 is 140. 70 times 20 is 1,400. At this time, I want you to pause the video. I want you to work through these two problems. Remember, when you're multiplying a digit in the ones place, it's ones times ones, then ones times 10. Don't forget to put your 0 placeholder, and then you're going to start with the tens place. The tens place always is multiplied by the ones digit first on top, and then the tens digit next. Add to get your final answer, and then check with me. Okay, so when you multiplied 9 times 5, hopefully you got 45 and you carried your 4. When you multiplied 9 times 9, you should have gotten 81, plus 4 more would give you 85. You're going to cross, and lay your egg. And then you would be ready to multiply 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry your 3, and 6 times 9 is going to give you 54, plus 3 more would give you 57. So at this point, I want you to look at both your partial products, see if they match mine. And if you didn't get a matching number, then you probably forgot to add in your digits. Our final answer is going to be 5, 5, 15, and that makes 6. 6,555, which is pretty close to our estimate of 7,000. If you haven't multiplied this one yet, I need you to pause the video and do that now. Otherwise, continue checking with me. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 more makes 14. Cross, lay your egg. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 more makes 14. At this point, I need you to check your partial products and see if we agree. If your partial products are different than mine, you probably forgot to add in after regrouping. And finally, our answer is 4,851. 1,584, which is pretty close to 1,400. Now the next two problems, and actually the final row, I want you to continue doing what we're doing now. I would expect you to make an easy estimate, and then I would expect you to continue following through. However, this time, once you finish a problem, I want you to check in with your teacher. Checking in with your teacher will help validate that you're doing it correctly, and if we see a problem, we're able to catch it quickly. So please make sure that you're checking in with your teacher per her directions.